Here's the full YouTube package for your 2026 Forest River Nova review video, perfect for your channel Auto, including script, title, description, hashtags, keywords, tags, and thumbnail ideas. Movie camera video script. Welcome back to Auto. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Forest River Nova, a name that's already creating a buzz in the luxury motorhome segment. Forest River has once again raised the bar with innovation, comfort, and performance, and the Nova is the perfect example of that. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Nova presents a sleek and modern exterior with aerodynamic lines, LED matrix headlights, and a distinctive grille that enhances airflow and fuel efficiency. The white body gives it a clean, premium appeal, perfect for those who love sophistication on the move. Under the hood, the Nova is powered by a robust V6 hybrid engine that balances strength with smart fuel economy. Whether you're cruising through city roads or heading out for a long adventure, the performance remains smooth, quiet, and confident. The ride quality is supported by adaptive suspension, giving you stability even on uneven terrains. Exterior view. A captivating image of the 2026 Forest River Nova taking center stage in a luxurious white showroom. The glossy white exterior shines under the lights, highlighting its elegant body curves and chrome accents. From the front, the Nova's presence is bold yet refined, a true statement on wheels. Interior view. Stepping inside the 2026 Forest River Nova, you're welcomed into a world of comfort and craftsmanship. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and high-end materials surround you. The dashboard features a full digital interface with a 15-inch touchscreen, advanced navigation, and voice controls. The interior layout maximizes space, with a fully equipped kitchen, smart climate system, and convertible sleeping area. Every inch is designed to make travel feel like luxury living. Now let's talk about features. The Nova comes loaded with smart technology, from advanced driver assist systems and a 360-degree camera to wireless connectivity and AI-powered route planning. It even includes solar charging options and eco-mode driving to support sustainable travel. Overall, the 2026 Forest River Nova is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Combining modern design, high performance, and top-tier comfort, it's built for those who dream big and travel far. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto, and stay tuned for more reviews on the latest 2026 models. Name badge YouTube title, SEO friendly and eye-catching. Fire 2026 Forest River Nova, next general luxury motorhome you must see. Minibus sparkles, full review by Auto. Memo description. Get ready to explore the 2026 Forest River Nova, the latest innovation in luxury motorhomes. Minibus Dizzy. In this video, Auto dives deep into its cutting-edge design, high-tech features, smooth performance, and stunning interior. Discover why the Nova stands out as one of the most advanced RVs of 2026. Check mark highlights. Hybrid performance with impressive efficiency. Sleek aerodynamic design. Luxurious smart interior with modern amenities. Perfect for long road trips and family adventures. Subscribe to Auto for more 2026 car and motorhome reviews. Hashtag Auto, hashtag Forest River Nova, luxury motorhome 2026. Label 100 hashtags and keywords with emojis. Hashtag Forest River Nova, number 2026 Nova, hashtag Forest River, motorhome 2026, hashtag luxury RV, hashtag Auto, number 2026 cars, hashtag car review, hashtag RV life, hashtag campervan, hashtag luxury travel, hashtag RV living, hashtag adventure van, hashtag road trip, hashtag van life, hashtag auto review, hashtag hybrid motorhome, hashtag RV design, hashtag tech RV, hashtag travel in style, New car 2026, automotive, future cars, luxury on wheels, off-grid living, smart vehicle, RV review, modern motorhome, motorhome design, camping life, eco travel, electric RV, sustainable travel, van conversion, interior design, exterior design, performance review, Auto Show 2026, innovation, high-tech RV, future RV, USA 2026, motorhome features, next-gen RV, AK Auto Review, luxury camper, family RV, adventure ready, smart interior, road adventure, motorhome trends, best motorhome 2026, Forest River fans, camper review, auto lovers, travel vlog, RV experience, number 2026 models, top motorhome, motorhome lovers, tech on wheels, luxury van, road luxury, auto trend, RV tour, RV style, RV comfort, motorhome review 2026, RV world, drive luxury, car news 2026, smart camper, innovative RV, automobile 2026, explore with AK Auto, camper life, luxury 2026, motorhome tech, high performance RV, car lovers, drive experience, off-road RV, power and comfort, future of travel, hybrid ERV 2026, motorhome of the year, car features, travel dreams, RV goals, number 2026 innovation, vehicle review, Nova 2026 review, motorhome showcase, new launch 2026, Forest River 2026, motorhome journey, ultimate RV, smart drive, AK auto exclusive, label 15 trending tags, 2026 Forest River Nova, Forest River RV, luxury motorhome, 2026 cars, AK auto review, future RVs, new motorhome 2026, Forest River Nova review, motorhome interior, hybrid RV 2026, car reviews 2026, modern motorhomes, auto trends 2026, luxury RV tour, tech motorhome. Label 15 relevant keywords without hashtags. Forest River Nova, 2026 RV, hybrid motorhome, luxury camper, Forest River review, new RV model, 2026 car reviews, family motorhome, RV features, interior motorhome design, futuristic RV, American RV 2026, long road trips, camper lifestyle, AK Auto channel. Framed picture thumbnail ideas. 1. Front view of the white 2026 Forest River Nova in a bright showroom with text overlay. 2026 Forest River Nova minibus luxury redefined. 2. Split design. Left side showing exterior, right side showing luxury interior. Text. Next general RV experience. 3. Close-up of dashboard and LED lights with glowing title, Inside the Future of Motorhomes. Would you like me to also create a voiceover style version of this script for narration in your video?